Hey everyone, I'm really excited to be showing you all our new integration with GreenSky. This video will first walk you through the process of setting up the integration in your SingleOps account, and then we will focus on the process of using the integration by offering financing on jobs you create in your SingleOps account. Let's go ahead and dive right in. First, you'll navigate to your admin menu. From here, you'll find integrations, SingleOps financing, and select sign up. When you are ready, you will select the blue Sign Up button here to find the SingleOps and GreenSky partnership page. This page includes information such as the benefits of working with GreenSky and how their program works. Next, you will fill in your contact information here to get started. If you have any additional questions, please use the phone number here to speak with a representative, and be sure to reference this sponsor number here when speaking with them. Once you have submitted your information, GreenSky will work with you through the underwriting process, training, and plan selection. They will also issue you a merchant ID that will need to be entered here on your SingleOps sign-up page, along with at least one plan ID. There is also an additional field here to set a minimum job value for automatic financing on a job. Jobs with a total value at or above the selected value will trigger the finance offer on proposals when the job option is set to automatic. Note, the minimum job value for financing must be at least $1,000. Once you've entered this information, be sure to click Save. Once you have completed setup for the integration, you can now begin to offer financing on jobs you create in SingleOps. Here, I've created a proposal for some services with a job total of $6,000. At the bottom of the page, you will now see a new drop-down for financing option, which will be set to automatic by default. With automatic selected, the minimum job value that you set on the integration page will be used to determine if financing will be offered to your customer on this job. As a user, you can override this behavior by manually selecting enable or disabled as the financing option. Once the job is saved, you can refer to two new columns on your job management page. These include financing offered and financing accepted. These two new columns allow you to easily track jobs with financing offered and if the offer was accepted by your customer. Now, let's take a look at the public proposal page for a job with financing offered. Your customer will now see the option to learn more about additional payment options on a job if financing is offered. I also want to note that this messaging can be updated on your customer info page and account settings. Back in your account, you'll navigate to your admin menu and select account settings. Here on your company info page, you'll scroll to the financing intro text. Here you can update that messaging that your customer sees on the public proposal page. If you make any updates here, be sure to click update account at the bottom. Back on the public proposal page, if your customer selects learn more, they will be navigated to a new page where they can browse the different financing options that you have to offer your customers. You'll see here that I have only implemented one financing offer in my demo account, but best practice is to have multiple options for your customers to choose from. Each option will include a description and disclosure. Once your customer finds a plan they like, they can select apply to apply for financing. This application process is paperless and quick for your customers. It should only take about 5 minutes or less to complete. Once you are ready to collect payment on the job, you will need to navigate to your GreenSky merchant portal to request approval from your customer for the charge. Once the customer has approved the charge, you will need to manually process the payment in SingleOps. Best practice is to set up a payment method in your account for GreenSky financing for reporting purposes. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to your GreenSky representative or SingleOps support.